gasket for the other one. This guy here. Pump, and then O-rings, fresh O-rings. Should have two of them. There's the other one. Damn. Tight. Tiger, what I was looking for? Crank? Crank sprocket. Sprocket, crank. Let's do it. There we go. Fresh right out the package. Let's take this out. Slide it out. To line it up. It's the old one. Golden gut. Timing chain teeth marks. That's how things are going to look. So the left side, I believe, uses the circles there, you can see, and then on this side it matches up with this link here, so that's set, which also makes sense because you got the dowel pin on top, and the other dowel will slot in right there. And then on the right side you have the other marks. So you see you have kind of oval. On the other side, you match it up with the oval side. So we got oval, oval, oval. Actually, you know what? Yeah, let's double check with that before I fuck something up. Yeah, so right here we have, there are two types of matching marks: round, 7 and 10, which are pictured there, not very well, and oval, 4 and 5. They should be used for the right hands and left hand banks respectively. So 7 and 10, round, just like I said, and then 4 and 5, 4 and 5, 4, 5. Let's put that fresh chain on right now. I'll just actually show you before I do that. See how I said how the hole there, the dowel hole, and that slot right there. So when these get, they're like this, when they get flipped onto the motor like that, they're gonna line up with the dowel hole here. Sorry, dowel hole is gonna line up with the dowel there, here, and there. This is actually different from the original VK35 because you could actually see some of the instructions for this manual, which is from a 2010. This is a factory service manual. You still have pictured the old tensioners with the O-ring, which I don't have, right? Another thing is the main cam bearing cap is pictured with that IVT solenoid that goes on top, which obviously this motor doesn't because it's newer, And the main bearing caps don't have anything on them. So yeah, a little misleading. I thought it was a little weird, but everything else kind of makes sense. And the torque values, whew, well, I hope Nissan didn't mess up on that. Anyways, let's open up the other the other Nissan, genuine Nissan stuff. That's all we're using here. Chain here. See, so we got the 2 links there, which will line it up on the exhaust side. Yeah. Let's bring them a little closer together. So we can slide these bad boys on. So just like that. That link goes there. And around the other side. Oop. Match the links up just like that. Let's stretch her out a little bit. It stays. And that's it. Dowel hole, dowel, dowel, dowel hole. Flip, flip. Let's do it up. Got the ends RTV'd there, the main caps, and there they go. Lined up with the dowel. The RTV going there as well. Slide this bad boy right in. There we go. So, main cap's in. And just about to torque these bolts here. A little bit of excess RTV here and there. Not too bad. And on to the next step. Put those guys on. Oil pump's getting looped up there. Got the cam sprockets on. Loose. Torque that down. Get the oil pump in there with the new gear. And then put the main chain on. This here, bolt. Main chain's on.
What torque is this? 12 equal.
Alright, pull that pin. It's all set. Everything's good. Minty. Fresh.